Morning, my dear children. So today's you have been given work in the English readers. All English books you have to take out from your books. English practice book, page number 6 and 7. English codes book, page number 3. English workbook, worksheet 2A and 2B. English workbook, page number 2. And writing strokes, page number 3. You have to complete in these books, children. So take out your books and keep ready with your eraser and pencil. So children, open English practice book, page number 6 and 7. Put today's date here and see writing strokes here. So we have learned about standing line, sleeping line and slanting lines. Today we have to practice right curve. Like this, two lines you have to join. Right curve. Like this, two lines you have to two dots you have to join, like a C you have to draw. Right curve, say and write, right curve. Like this you have to say and write, right curve, right curve. From red line, top red line to second blue line, you have to write like a C, right curve. Like this full page you complete. After completing page number 6, again put today's date here, and in page number 7 you have to write left curve, left curve. Like reverse C we will write now like this, left curve, left curve. Say and write from red top line, from red up line to second blue line, like this, left curve. If you are not able to write, put dots and join. First put your two dots and then you can join. If you are able to write, touch the red line, up red line and second blue line, left curve, left curve. Like this you have to complete these two pages from till the last line. Okay children, classwork and homework both you have to do in this book, English practice book. After completing it, keep aside and take out English quotes book. English quotes book. See, in page number 3, already we have learned the page number 2. We have learned the letters coming from letter A. Now we have to read the words which comes from the letter B. So just read out. Read aloud. B for book. B for ball. B for bat. B for banana. B for butterfly. B for balloon. B for basket. B for bed. So the sound of the letter is B. The letter is B and the sound is B. B for book. Repeat again children. Repeat after me. B for book. B for ball. B for bat. B for banana. B for butterfly. B for balloon. B for basket. B for bed. Only page number 3 you have to read orally. These words you have to practice orally. All the words you should know which are coming from the letter B. After completing this English course book, you take out English worksheet. English worksheets 2A and 2B. Okay children? 2A and 2B. See here, strokes are given, stroke practice. We have practiced in English practice book na. Left curve. Like this you have to do. Left curve. Two lines are given, left curve. Then after completing that, right curve. Right curve. Two lines complete right curve. Down curve. Down curve. Say and write. Join the dots. Down curve. After this down curve over, come to fourth stroke. Up curve. Up curve. Up curve. Like this you have to complete. Today's date put here and complete this page 2A. Then here page number 4, you write today's date here, and first in the fish, two fishes are given for you. So you have to here curve lines are given in two fishes. First you connect the dot with the dots, two fish, these curves have to complete like this in first fish all the curves till the end, and in second fish also you have to complete like this, right curve, same right curve, right curve, right curve, total till here. Okay, these all curves you have to complete. And with eye also then here water waves are there now, like this you have to complete the waves, water, like water we are drawing now, fish will be in the living in the water, so we have to complete all this. Then after completing full page with two different colors, you color the fishes, one with this fish one color and down fish one color, and rest of the whole water like this color, light blue color, like this which I have given the border now in your book, like that color you have to color it. Okay children, first join all the dots of the pages till the down, then you color one fish, two fishes are there, one fish with one color, another fish with another color, any light color you can use, don't put it dark. Then full box is given with that water, in that water light blue color you have to put here, rest of the color. Okay children, so these 2A and 2B will be completed in this book. Then after completing this English workbook, you open English workbook, put today's date here, page number 2. See here, circle the objects that begin with letter B. So with B, which words we will get with B? See first picture, brinjal. The first letter is B. So circle it. B for brinjal. Next is hat. Hat starting with H. So it will be not. We should not do circle. Then butterfly. B for butterfly. So the words which are coming with the B. B for ball. F, it starts with F. Fan. So we should not circle it. Bat. Bat starts with B. So circle the bat. Chocolate. It starts with C. Bell starts with B. Circle it. Ice cream starts with I. You should not circle. Balloon with B. Circle. B, button. So the objects which we will get from B word, B letter, we have to circle it. Brinjal, butterfly, ball, bat, bell, balloon, button. Okay children, once again repeat it. Brinjal, butterfly, ball, bat, bell, balloon, button. These pictures you have to circle and you have to learn the words which are coming from letter B. Okay children, in this page you have to complete page number, in this book only page number 2. Then close the book. Then take out the last book, writing strokes. You have to open the writing strokes, page number 3. Page number 3 here, rain is coming now, like in slanting lines the rain is coming. So the clouds here in blue color, rain we are getting. So we have to join the dots, slanting line, like this you have to say and draw the rain. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Like this you have to draw the rain. Okay children, like this full lines you can draw. Like this slanting line, like this all the slanting lines you have to join the dots, you have to connect the dots. Okay children, understood? So see you in next class. Bye children.